Hey Junior Chefs! I'm Head Chef Zara, and these are my assistant chefs,
Kaden
and Brody.
Today we're going to be making a wintry dessert named
a Yule Log.
But aren't logs inedible?
Yes, but this one is tasty and sugary.
Duh, it's a cake.
You're always hungry.
Anyways, let's get into it.
First up, let's get all the ingredients.
Here are all the ingredients needed for the Yule Log. The ingredients that are out so far will be listed on the screen.
That's right. Let's start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
For 12 minutes.
Next, we wash our hands.
Now take flour, cocoa, baking powder, and salt and sift it into a cup.
Now, separate the yolks from the whites and twist them so you get stiff peaks but not dry.
You can set the egg whites aside for now. Now take the egg yolks and put sugar in them and whisk until you get light and fluffy mixture. Now take your flour mixture and pour it into the egg yolk mixture. I don't know. Make sure to have a parent supervise you.
Oh, hey, Mom. Then, take the cake and let it chill for 10 minutes.